A very good morning, class. Today we are going to deal with division of integers, which is the last topic in our chapter integers. So first of all, let's understand the division rule. Means as we have done addition rules, subtraction rules, then multiplication rules, how to use the integers to divide and what will be the result of the signs. Okay, so let's start it. Hope you can see my screen. Okay, so if I have to divide a positive number with a positive number, so which, can you tell me which type of integer shall I get here? Any idea?
Ma'am, positive.
Positive, yes. So let's take an example now. Can anyone give me an example? 4 divided by 2 is how much?
Ma'am, 2.
2. So what is the sign of 2 here? It is positive. Now, if I have to divide a negative then what result I should get here?
Ma'am, I am not able to see the screen.
Okay, but you can hear me now. I'm saying if you can divide, if you have to divide a negative integer with a negative integer, what sign would you get?
Ma'am, we will get a positive integer.
Positive integer. Okay. So what is happening? When the signs of the, what is happening then? What this mean? That when the signs of both the numerator and denominator are same, so what we get? What we get? A positive.
Positive.
But let's see the second condition. If I am dividing a positive integer, you know this is also a division sign. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
With a negative integer, what type of number I will get? See,
Negative. Ma'am,
right, negative. We will be getting a negative integer. So for example, if I am dividing 4 by -2, so what should be the result then? What should be the result then?
Minus.
Huh? What should be the result then? 4 divided -2. Yes, it will be -2. Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, just changing now the numerator is negative and the denominator is positive. Means, so what will be the sign now?
Ma'am, negative.
Negative. So if I say -4 divided by 2, what should be the answer? If I say minus
Ma'am,
what should be the answer?
-2.
-2. So have you understood the sign rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now, if there is no confusion, then can we move to the properties of division?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can anyone
Yes, ma'am.
tell properties
Yes,
of
ma'am.
division? So, first property which is applicable, which property should be the first one to be applied here?
Ma'am,
closure property.
What property should be applied here? हाँ, तो properties of division में first property कौन सी होनी चाहिए? Properties of division में सबसे पहली property कौन सी होनी चाहिए?
मैम क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी.
Ma'am, closure property.
Very good. Closure property. Closure property. So, closure property. Am I right? And what does this say? What does this property say? A, when I have to divide, A is divided by B, right? A is
Yes,
divided by
ma'am.
B. So what I will get?
Is it
I will always
integer?
get an integer. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
just take a random example. 6 divided by -3. What should be the answer?
Ma'am -2.
-2.
Ma'am,
So
-2.
see, first standard answer was 2, and when we use the sign rule, we got a -2. Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Which
Yes, ma'am.
now is commutative property possible? Is commutative property possible?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because it is A divided by B, but it is not possible that B divided by A.
Let's see an example. Can we see an example? If I am dividing 4 by 2, I am getting what? 2. Yes?
Ma'am, too.
But if I am dividing 2 by 4, then what I am getting? 1/2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, see, LHS is not equal to RHS.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
So that
ma'am.
means commutative property is not possible. Is associative possible? Is associative possible? Huh? Yes. Whose TV is switched on? Who is doing the same time, watching a TV also and studying also? And if you can do a multitasking, please teach me also. I will be doing also. Samar, switch off your speakers. I hope the decorum of the class will be maintained. Should I continue?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what I was asking, is associative property possible? Is associative property possible?
No, ma'am.
Hmm? No, it's not possible. Let's take an example again. Let's take an example again. Let's take -64. Sorry, 4 divided by 8 divided by 2. What's the answer? What's the answer?
Ma'am,
First, first what should be solved? The bracket should be solved or not?
yes, ma'am.
So it will be -8 divided by 2. -8 divided by 2.
Ma'am, -2.
So answer will be -4. Let's see the other method. So if I am taking this, now if I am dividing, let's change the, see, -64 bracket divided by bracket 8 divided by 2. So what will be the answer? Minus 64 divided by 4, right? Yes or no? And that is equal to how much?
Ma'am, minus 16.
Minus 16. Is the LHS equal to RHS? Is the LHS
No,
equal
ma'am.
to RHS? No. So what does this
No,
mean?
ma'am.
That associative property is not possible. Now, one more. Property of 1. Property of 1 says if any integer, be it positive or negative, divided by 1 is always equal to A. What is the property of division? If a number, integer, be it positive or negative, is divided by 1, then it is equal to A. Understood? So if I am dividing
Yes,
minus 2 by
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
what should be the answer?
Ma'am, so minus 2.
Ma'am, minus 2.
If I am dividing minus 1 lakh with 1, then answer will be
Ma'am,
Minus
minus
1
1
lakh.
lakh.
Minus 1 lakh.
understood. Understood the concept?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But what does the property of 0 say? Now, if 0 is divided by any integer, if 0 is divided by any integer, the answer is 0. What is it?
I'm 0.
But listen to me again, and I am saying the what is but means. But if you divide a by 0, any integer by 0, the answer is what I'm writing. Write it. Listen to me properly. Not defined means it's not possible. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So these type of questions mostly come in true and false. So please remember these 3 conditions. Right? True and false में ये 3 condition बहुत गलत होने के chances रहते हैं. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So let's start with today's questions. Let's see exercise 1.4. Let's move to exercise 1.4. The first question is very easy. Let's do it orally. Can you do it? First one.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus
Yes,
40
ma'am.
divided by 10. How much? Minus
Ma'am, minus 4.
minus 40 divided by 10. That is equal to how much?
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Very good. Next one. Minus 81 divided by minus 9.
Ma'am, 9. Ma'am, 9.
9.
Ma'am,
Because
9.
both are negative. Both are negative, the sign will be positive. Very good. Let's see what you answer for this. 0 divided by minus 13.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
0.
0.
0.
Ma'am, 0.
The property of 0. Right? We are using a property of 0,
Yes.
right? 51 divided by 51.
Ma'am, 1. Ma'am, 1.
1. Very good. So the class is taking part. Okay. Then 63 divided by minus 7.
And minus 9.
Minus 9.
9.
Okay, good. Minus 48 divided by 1.
Ma'am, minus 48.
Very
Minus
good.
48.
48. Very good. Then 1601, that is 1601, that is 1601 divided by 1. What will be the answer?
Ma'am,
Minus
minus 1601.
Sorry, 1601 divided by -1. What should be the answer?
Minus 1601.
Right, -1601. And finally, minus 1331 divided by -11. Minus 13.
120.
Yes,
Ma'am, 121.
equals to
121.
because it's a cube. If we multiply 3 times 11, remember that if we multiply 3 times 11, we get 1331. If we multiply 2 times 11, that is 121. It's a okay. One is the square, one is the cube root. Okay. Second and third will be done by you. Second and third will be done by you. These type of questions we have done a lot of questions we have done in previous exercises. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So let's come to the fourth one then. Let's come to the fourth one. Let's come to the fourth one. They are saying I have to subtract a quotient of. Quotient of means 100 divided by 50. Yes. Quotient of this. Sorry, written wrong. Let's read the question first. Quotient from product means product will be written first. 100 multiplied by 50, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Divided by,
Yes.
what is the quotient here? 100.
Ma'am.
100 divided by 50, right? So we can solve first. What we will be doing? We will be solving the brackets. So the first bracket will be solved and giving us 5,000. Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Divided by how much?
Ma'am, 2.
Sorry, we have to subtract, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's correct. And the second bracket will be giving us what answer? 2. So if I subtract 5,000 minus 2, how much it is?
Ma'am, 4,998.
4998. The difference is 4998, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, question number 5. If I divide my house number by 2, so it's a linear equation type question, simple equation type question, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So first let's
Yes,
read
ma'am.
the whole
Yes,
question and then we will be creating an equation. Yes. If I divide my house number by 2 and then add 6, I get 24. What is my house number? That means if let the house number be A equal to A. If I take the house number equal to A and then a question will be A is divided by 2, right? Right
Yes,
or wrong?
ma'am.
And from that we are adding 6 to it, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Adding 6 to it, so I am getting 24. Is the equation created correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
So now let's solve it. Let's solve it. What will happen? A by 2 will remain on LHS side and this 20, the RHS side 6 will go 24 minus 6, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That will give me A upon 2 equals to 18. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So then how much A will be equal to? A will be equal to?
Ma'am,
A will be equal to 18 into 2.
18 multiplied by 2 and that is equal to how much?
Ma'am, 36.
I'm
So
36.
my house number is, what's my house number?
Ma'am,
How
36.
I'm
Ma'am, 36.
Understood? Understood?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
take the last one for today. There is a multi-story building having a parking at the basement. A lift moves at the rate of 4 meter per 15 second. Means speed is equal to how much? Speed
Ma'am,
is equal
4
to
meter for 15 seconds.
4 meter per 15 second. That means 1 second is equal to how much? How much meter? In 1 sec. That means in 15 second it's moving 4 meters. Then in 1 second it will move in
Ma'am, 4 upon 15.
meters. 4 by 15 meters. Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's move ahead. If the lift starts coming down from a height of 40, means from top to bottom, that is we are moving down, right?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
find its position after 3 minutes. Okay. The value is given, the speed is given to us in seconds. The number is in minutes. So first of all, what we will do, we will be converting minutes into seconds. Yesterday we learned or not this thing? Yes?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
have learned this thing. So what is 1 minute? If 1 minute is equal to 60 second, 60 second, yes or no? Then how much 60 minutes equal to?
Ma'am, 3 into 60.
3 into 60, and that is equal to
Ma'am, 180.
Number
that is
80.
180 second or 180 minute?
Ma'am, second.
180 seconds. Now moving back to the question. Here, when 1 second was equal to 4 by 15 meter, then how much will be 180 second equal to? 180 second equal to. When 1 second, in 1 second we were reaching 4 by 15 meter down, then what should be 180 meter, 180 second equal to? At 180 second where we will reach? See, 4 upon 15, unitary method. You have learned unitary method, no? Simply I am using unitary method or not? So it will be into 180. So please solve it. It is how much? Can you tell me how much? How much meters? Calculate it for me and tell me. Yes? Yes, what is the answer? What is the answer?
Ma'am, 4 into 180 upon 15.
That is equal to how much? I have already written 4 into 1.
48.
48
Ma'am,
meters.
48 meters.
Okay. Now, let's see the concept of the question now. Okay, this much you have understood? Now let's move back to the question. The question is saying the building is 40 meter height, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The lift has started from 40 meter here, right? Means this much is 40. This much is 40. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
This
Yes,
much is
ma'am.
40. But the lift has gone down how much? But
Ma'am,
the lift has
48
gone
meters.
down 48 meters. 48 meters, right? So if the lift has
Yes,
gone
ma'am.
48 meters more, that means how much it has gone down more? This only we have to ask. The question is saying. So it is how much below the ground level? How much below the ground level?
Ma'am, 8 meters. Ma'am, -8.
Yes, 8 meter. That is 40 minus 48 will give us -8. And what does this -8 means? -8 meters means 8 meter below
Ground level.
right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood the concept behind the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood the concept behind no? Who is saying no? Anyone with no answer? Anyone who has not understood? Who is no? किसको नहीं समझ में आया? टाइम वाला समझ में आया? टाइम हमने मीटर्स कैसे कैलकुलेट किया स्पीड से? वो आपको समझ? You have got it? And then see the lift was coming down 40 till ground level. It has gone down more. How much it has gone down more? 8 meters more. Okay? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, any other queries from this much? Any other queries from this much? So, your homework for today is exercise 1.4 till question number 6 in your classwork copies. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So, thank you. Any other queries? No? Then thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.